Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to show you how to create these unique newspaper wedding programs. We have two versions of the full-size sheet, one that has a fun word search on the back, and the other one displays a wedding timeline. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create these programs. Our newspaper programs will add a special touch to your wedding ceremony, and your guests will love reading all the details of your wedding and your special story. These programs are one of our top sellers in our Etsy shop, and we love when customers send us photos of their finished newspaper programs. We have seen so many unique ways to display these. Now let's get right into how to create these. The first thing you want to do is figure out what type of paper you would like to use. We recommend this Parchment paper, and I'll include a link for this in the comments section below. These also print great on white matte paper, so feel free to experiment. After you have made your purchase from our Etsy shop, Creative Union Design, you can download your file to your computer. Our PDFs need to be edited on a computer and are not editable on a mobile device. Once you have your PDF downloaded to your computer, you can simply open your Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. If you don't have the latest version of Adobe Reader, be sure you update the program first. This is important because the PDF will not function properly in an older version of Adobe Reader. Now back to opening the PDF. You will want to open your Adobe Reader first. Then select File, Open, and open your PDF that way. I recommend not double-clicking the PDF, as that could accidentally open the PDF in Preview or web browser. The PDF will seem like it's editable, but you'll not be able to insert a photo or save the file properly. When editing in Adobe Reader, you can simply click the photo icon to insert your square photo. Be sure you crop the photo into a square to ensure that it fits the entire space. You can use your phone or photo editing program to crop this into a square, or if you need help, just let me know. If you want to change the font style and size, you can open the Text Properties toolbar. Simply highlight the text you're working on and type Command-E for Mac and Control-E for PC. Here you can edit the font style, size, and color. And again, these instructions are all included in the download. Once you have your file completely filled in with your information, you can simply click File, Save, and save the PDF to your desktop. You can easily print from here, or if you need the file to be converted to a JPEG, I can show you how to do that next using Preview. The first thing you want to do when converting your PDF to a JPEG is open Preview. Once you have Preview open, from here you will want to select File, Open, and open your PDF. Be sure you do not click on any of the editable sections while you're in Preview. If you do, it could alter the formatting. Next, you'll want to select File, Export, then select where you would like to export the file to. Then for format, you want to change this to JPEG. Select Best, and be sure it is set to 300 dpi. Then just click Save and you're good to go. Now we can get to the fun part, printing and assembling. Well, not that much assembling. You'll want to print these double-sided on the paper of your choice. I printed both versions to show you both options and to show you two options for displaying your newspaper programs at your wedding. I have seen three options that couples use to display these. First is to simply lay these flat on each chair or have them ready to hand out to your guests. The second is a simple fold, so they look more like stacked newspapers. And the third is this lovely rolled technique, tied up with twine to give these a more vintage scroll look. Whatever you decide to do will be perfect. Every couple deserves to have a wedding that is as unique and special as they are. We hope our newspaper program adds a distinct creative touch that your guests will remember for years to come. We hope you found this video helpful. Please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.